install time. Trying to get this JVC and the Equinox. I'm here building the harness and the interface right now. All of it's buttoned up, I believe. This thing's weird. It's got one subwoofer RCA out. We'll figure it out. And it's got all the AV for everything, and 2 for the left and 2 for the right. So I may just run this pair back and just have one extra. That's all I know to do. I've got the Sky High 4 RCAs running the Sundown 0 gauge. And guys, these are cool. And if you've never saw this, you should start running it. I get them from Recoil. It's a 9-wire connection, so it's got your front, right, and right rear and left rear positive and negative speaker connections and a remote wire. So that's 8 and 1 being 9 connections. That just simplifies your life, man. But I'm pulling the trigger, starting small. We're going to be putting one of these Maximus 12s in a 6th order. Hey, bunny cat. So I'm out here, got everything torn apart, trying to make some shit happen. I thought, hell, let's update everybody. Maybe 30 or 40 of you care. But let's see here. So I got all this junk pulled out. And an Equinox. It's kind of weird. You can actually see your finger through this damn hole. They've got holes down here. See my finger? I don't like that. So I'm going to run it through that grommet right there, the power wire, and run all my power wires down the driver's side. And then I guess we'll do the speaker and RCAs down that side. But I'll get back with you guys. I'm going to be putting it in this SDK 6th order. Shout out to Mr. Zimmerman. We're going to see what she'll do. I give him a shout out and said, bro, it's beautiful. Got it from Pappy. What's your recommendations? It was built for a Sundown U or maybe an X, I think he said. And I'm going to put a Maximus 12 in. What do you think? He said, fucking send it. So that's what we're going to do. Amp update. As y'all know, or anybody that follows me, I've got a plethora of freaking amps I've been collecting for years, and now we're finally starting to pull the trigger. Other than bass submission, of course. I cleaned her up, cleaned the wheels, and then it rained. Got everything covered up in here, but I'm not going to tear this one apart to build the other one just yet. I don't have the heart to do it right now. Tear one up to make one. Bunny cat. Come on, bunny. But I think we're going to run the Stetson 3K and an Alpine 4 channel just for the mids and highs, just to have something to play right now. I need a little more music than what I've got in there, knowing that it's all just temporary until we get the 12 Hutcherson 12s in there, if we can squeeze them in. But yeah, I've got a mess. I got all my install shit pulled out. I got 2 of these Stetson Black Editions EX3000. I hear they're pretty strong. So we're going to run one of those. Oh, the boom room. Here we go. It's a damn mess. You probably can't even see it. Oh, God, I was in here digging. Had to find my recoil kit. So we might run that Kicker 4-channel. Or that Alpine 4-channel up under the box right there. I can't even get over to it. Ugh. It's become ridiculous. But I just got it in the mail. And she works. I hooked her up to test her. Everything's golden. You may run that. So I had 2 small black colored amps in there. I love those freaking MRD style amps. You know, they're the predecessor to the MRVs. I like the MRDs, man. They just look good. They sound good. Oh my God. I got so much shit going on. But just giving you an update. I'll get back with you once I get everything together. I don't want to bore you guys with installing. Anybody that's following me probably already knows how to do this. But yeah, again, if you have never ran this stuff. That is a lifesaver. Everything in one package. All your speakers and remotes. Check them out, guys. I'll get back with you. Dapper Cracker out.